Today I'm making raspberry cream cheese crescent danishes. First I have 1 packet of crescent rolls. Next I'm going to roll out the crescent rolls. Next I'm going to press the crescent rolls together so I have 1 piece. Next I'm going to cut each piece of crescent roll dough in half. Next I put a piece of crescent dough on a lined baking sheet, and then I'm going to put some cream cheese down the center. Next I'm going to add a spoonful of raspberry jam. Then I'm going to take the 2 corners and fold them into the center. Then I'm going to repeat the process with the rest of the crescent rolls. I'm going to bake these at 375 for 8 to 10 minutes. Here's an up-close look of the raspberry cream cheese crescent danishes.